Hey everybody, it's Logan again. I'm just gonna go ahead and redo the recording. I didn't really like my energy, kind of messed up a lot on the first video, so I'm just gonna re-record it, go over the trades I already did, maybe make another one. I already made a couple, so we'll see. Um, but yeah, I'm just gonna. Today is Thursday, July 8th, 2021. The markets did kind of open up slow today. Let me shrink this down, open up Yahoo News for you to see. Um, This is kind of where I get my big picture news. So the S&P is down, the Dow is down, the Nasdaq's down. They're all down about a full percentage point there. We have more jobless filings again, just 20,000, not too big. Here are the biggest gainers of today. Don't know many of those. Here's the biggest losers. Newegg on here after a big increase yesterday. Most active is always good to look at too. NEO, AMC down big. But yeah, let's pull up my stock journal. So here's the trade I took earlier this week on Tuesday. I actually ended up selling this call yesterday. It did not hit my price target, but I saw the market was going up. I was up 140 bucks. I said, you know what? Why not? It's going to be I'll take my 140 bucks, start out the challenge right. Here's my Palantir call. We're going to be holding this for a while. Probably going to be holding that till August or September. So, it only cost us $3. Not too worried about that. So this trade here today, July 9th, I accidentally sold a put instead of bought. Sold. So I sold this put at $1.44. Here's my stop loss and target. I actually lost money on this. So, which is not good. So, didn't mean to sell a put on here. We're going to put the exit price at 1, even though I exited at $1.80. So I lost 44 bucks on this. Do manual exit. Um, you know, accidental order. Sold put instead of bought. So I lost out on 80 bucks here on my account, which is kind of a big whammy to me, but it is what it is. Just got to be careful when you're buying on Etrade. So other trade I did, the market's down big, so I went ahead and did my strategy. I bought a call for the end of July. We paid 536 for this call. Let's check the chart for you guys. So we bought this call at 536. You can see just yesterday it was worth $811. So, it dropped 30 something percent. We're gonna buy. Hopefully by the end of the month, the SPY's going back up to above 435 bucks. It's kind of just a gamble, but we're trying my strategy of buying calls when the market drops. So we're gonna see what happens. Let me put this on here. We bought it for 536. I have my risk, my stop at about 120 bucks loss, 110 bucks loss. Price target right there. That was a August. That was a July call. July call. 430. So we actually got this call. Since the market dropped, we got a $2 cheaper call for 30 more cents. So we have potential to make some money here if it goes up tomorrow. Risking $111. Entry at 10:34 a.m. Let's do SPY down 1.5% today. Here's the times I traded. We'll keep that going. So that's what I had today. Where's Etrade at? There it is. So let's go back to the markets, market view. I'll show you guys what happened with so the SPY went down 1.5%, and I'll just show you guys what kind of happened with some of these calls. So let's look at some calls expiring tomorrow. If you would have bought one of these puts and calls yesterday, I mean, you'd be up 1,344%, which is absolutely mind-boggling. You pull this chart up here. So this is just yesterday afternoon. This put was going for 58 cents all the way down to 17 cents. And this morning it popped up to $200. So you'll be looking at a 10x your money right there, which is just so freaking awesome. I did try to capitalize on this. I wanted to buy a put right here at $1.40. I accidentally sold it, which you can't do in a small account, but you could do in paper trading. So I accidentally sold it. I didn't realize it, and I get jumped out about right here, $1.80. So I lost 45 bucks on that trade in my small account here, paper trade account. But instead I would have made 45 bucks. So really missed out on $80 on my small account here. I wiped out most of my gains, but that's okay. It is what it is. You just got to be careful. So I was clicking right here, and I accidentally sold. You want this to say buy. That's all I did. Wasn't paying attention. Like a fool. But yeah, that is day 3 in the books. So I have one SPY call open. I did want to buy a put, but these are going to be kind of out of my price range here. I'll put an order in. So we're going to buy one. If this drops to $1.05 today, if the market kind of goes up in the afternoon, which sometimes the SPY will rebound a little bit, I want to go ahead and take a chance at one of these puts for expiring tomorrow. We'll see. I don't think this will get filled. We're going to go ahead and leave that in there. So we'll leave that one open. Kind of see what happens on these other positions here. Set an exit plan on this. So my profit target here. Let's go pull up my spreadsheet. My profit target on this one was 758. So we'll say 750 even, and my stop loss is at 425. So let's pop this stop loss 425, and let's do this 750 even. So I'll be making 39%, losing 20%. These are limit orders, so just leave that in there in case something happens tomorrow and I get stopped out and I don't lose too much money. So that's why you want to set limit orders on your options. And yeah, so that's day 3 in the books. Tomorrow's Friday. Fridays typically are kind of red days going into the weekend, but not always. So that's kind of why I wanted to buy a put, but I wasn't able to on accident. So I went ahead and bought a call, down 3% on it already, but I feel good about it. It's the end of July. So we got some time on it, but yeah, tune in tomorrow. We're gonna have another video. We'll see what we can buy and sell, see if we can make some money, see if we can get this account rocking and rolling. And thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. See you later.